Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a mommy cat. Let's start drawing. At first, I start with her eyes and also her nose and mouth. I do her ears and also head. I love drawing and painting a cat. Please try to draw with me. I draw her legs and body. Finally, I draw her tail. Good job! Now I use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. Cream. I use cream color for her face. I love cats so much. Do you like cat too? Light blue. Pink. Yellow. I use yellow color for her body. This cat is so cute. Red. She looks so happy. Orange. If you enjoy watching, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Purple. Amazing! See you on the next video.